What is inheritance?
Concept of inheritance. Inheritance is one of the four pillars of object-oriented programming OOP, along with encapsulation, polymorphism, and abstraction. It allows us to create new classes based on existing classes, reusing their code and behavior.
Superclass. A superclass is a class that is inherited from by another class. It is also known as a base class, parent class, or ancestor class. Subclass. A subclass is a class that inherits from another class. It is also known as a derived class, child class, or descendant class.
This keyword refers to the current object, instance. It can be used to access the attributes and methods of the current object. Superword. The super keyword is used to access the attributes and methods of the superclass. Types of inheritance. There are four main types of inheritance. Single inheritance. In single inheritance, a subclass can inherit from only one superclass. This is the most common type of inheritance. Multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance, a subclass can inherit from multiple superclasses. This is less common than single inheritance, as it can lead to ambiguity and complexity. Multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, a subclass inherits from another subclass, which inherits from another subclass, and so on. This can be used to create a hierarchy of classes where each subclass inherits the properties and behaviors of its superclasses. Hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is a combination of single, multiple, and multi-level inheritance. It is the most complex type of inheritance, and it should be used with caution. Types of relationship. There are four main types of relationships. Is a relationship is a relationship between two classes, where the subclass is a more specialized version of the superclass. For example, a dog is a mammal. Part of relationship. A part of relationship is a relationship between two classes, where the subclass is a part of the superclass. For example, a wheel is a part of a car. Has a relationship. A has a relationship is a relationship between two classes, where the subclass has an instance of the superclass. For example, a student has a backpack. Uses a relationship. A uses a relationship is a relationship between two classes, where the subclass uses the superclass. For example, a car uses a wheel.